Well, I'm going to take a little risk and I'm just going to deliver that as it is. I've wrapped it up with bubble wrap, not too brilliantly, but good enough. Let's get it delivered. This is an unusual way of delivering a piece, but actually there's something really nice about today. Lovely autumn, the sun's shining, and I just thought, why not just carry it there? I must be a bit mad. Hey ho. Well, that went well. It looks great and the radius is spot on, so that's good to know. I've ordered some little felt discs to go on the back of the seat so that it just touches against the wall. It doesn't damage the paintwork or the wood for that matter. Take it in. Yeah, nice, now it's finished. So I'm going to go back and get on with another one now. It's the long one now, which is 2 meters long, so it'll be interesting. Doing a 2 meter long one because it's got 3 pairs of legs, which will be nice. 3 pairs of legs. Look at that sunshine. Autumn sunshine is gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah. Right, thanks for watching and we'll catch up soon. Cheers.